On the federal tax side, and on each of these pages now, there are guidelines along the left-hand side. One of the things that was happening is when you go into a transcript, so I'm going to go into 2013. So if I go into this 2013 transcript and I'm going to edit the tax in any way, so let's say I'll make this, I'll change this number and I'll save it. It now becomes red. And it's red because I altered the tax. So it's now has something that's been altered. If I come in here and add a tax year, like let's say I'm going to add another 2022 tax year and say that there's a balance and I add that, now I have two 2022s and I can see that the total down here is actually adding in these figures as well, this $200 and then this one that I had changed in 2013. If I go over to the download and I go back to download this 2013 and bring in a new transcript, I'm now going to have two 2013 transcripts. So anything that you've edited, you've altered, or you've added, it's not going to update what you've altered, obviously, because now it's changed. It's going to bring in a new one. So when you're looking at the totals and you see the totals here in red, you want to do that and just take a look, like what's the difference? So, okay, this is what the difference is. And once you've had a chance to review that, you want to delete it. So you can hit the trash can that's right underneath in the icons on the right and just say delete. And if we delete this new 2022 that's here now as well, it will now turn everything to black. So this is just giving you some insight on those transcripts that you may have edited or those tax years that you've added to make sure that you're looking at a complete picture. And if you see that it's in red, it means that something's been altered. So you want to make sure that you've taken care of, those tax years that you may have been reviewing just to make sure that you've taken them out.